to my channel. Today's video is in collaboration with Celie hair. This is their box. We already know when you see the purple box, you know it's Celie hair. All that came in the packaging today was some lashes. Looks like this, super cute. I should have worn these. They put a purple bonnet to match their theme. This bonnet is kind of big, okay? It's like a medium size. And they also put a headband and their regular wig cap, a satin bag to put your wig and your stuff in, and their information card. I will have their links down below because if you guys did not know, Celie hair is one of my favorite body wave wigs. So yeah, today I'm using their body wave wig to get this straight look, and the reason why I like using body wave to get like a thick straight look is because you can wear it in the body wave state and you can also wear it in a straight state, and it's super thick all the way to the ends to get like a silky thick straight look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and let's get started. It's gonna be very quick because I'm just showing you how I molded it to do the side part, and I did show you how I did these edges. These are very like wispy, soft, short edges. And the key to having a great press is making sure that you take your time when you're running your flat iron down. Don't forget to visit my description box. I will link everything down below for you guys so you guys can have easy access to find the products that I'm using. Guys, so this is Celie hair. So the hair is body wave texture. It looks like this. I'm thinking about going in and straightening it because I love straightening body wave hair just because it comes thicker than the regular straight hair. So I'm thinking about straightening this to do a style, but I'm not sure how I'm feeling yet. I'm gonna just straighten this out quick. I'm using the Glueless Nanopore 1.5 inch, and that's making me be able to do more, like a thicker amount, than just do smaller sections. If you want to do smaller sections, you can, but because I have a bigger flat iron, it's easier to do bigger sections and it get done. Just take your time bringing it down the hair.
Everyone knows that I mess around.
Yeah.
Surely that don't mean that you can't hold it down.
Hold it down, man. Hold it
You
down.
say I'm always out of town.
That's what you say, right?
But I don't think that don't mean that we can't figure it out. Right?
Figure it out, you know.
Everyone knows
I'm just
that
hoping that they hear me.
I mess around.
I'm just hoping that they feel me.
Surely that don't mean that you can't hold it down.
Yeah.
You say I'm always out of town. But I don't think that don't mean that we can't figure it out.
I think about what we could have been and get mad excited. Still got love in my heart for you, but I had to hide it. You say we not enemies, but you acting like it. Even in dark times, I'm still at my brightest. I feel like you rooting for others to win. You know that internet shit still get under my skin. I think about your sisters, little brothers and twin. I know they like, I hope you ain't fucking with him. Lately I've been on the road a lot. Been hoping you come around, but I know you not. I never thought we would grow apart. I really gotta.
After it's been straightened, this is how the hair is looking. I want to go ahead and do a side part because I haven't did a side part in a long time. This is my good side over here, so I'm definitely probably going to be doing a swoop situation, and I need to flatten down the top of my head. Y'all already know I love using wax stick. I will link it down below. So I'm gonna just part through the lace and put the wax stick. Okay, you guys, so this is Glueless, like seriously Glueless. So I'm just gonna do some wispy edges because the lace is blending so good that I feel like it's okay to do some wispy edges. So that's what I'm gonna do, and I'm just gonna do it on this side just because this side is not showing too much, and even if the wind blows, nobody can check me, okay? So now I'm gonna just take out the edges, brush this back. I did not pluck this wig, okay, so it's kind of thick, but we're making it work. So I'm gonna trim this down.
Tell me why you gotta give me that way. You know what it does to me. So baby,
we already know how to do wispy edges, just so it can give me a more defined look.
should be. So baby, won't you come show me? I got you dreaming. You close your eyes, I am screaming. Play with your mind for no reason. I know you love how I tease it.
Okay, so I curl it like that, and then all you want to do is just go in and like trim it down a little bit and finesse it the way that you want it to look. Okay, so I'm gonna trim it down. And this is gonna give it more of a natural type look instead of it being so unrealistically long. Okay, and now that it's trimmed, you can go ahead and use your hairspray to mold it, because now it's like fluffy. So I'm gonna use the hairspray. I'm gonna spray it on my brush, and then I'm just going to swoop the hair around, like play with it and see how I like it, how I want it to be. Just go into the areas where it looks a little bit too thick and just pluck out those areas, because even if the back of your hair is like thick, you don't want your edges to be thick. Like, you want it to be natural looking.
We'd be good, we'd be great together. Why'd you have to be so cute? It's impossible to.
Okay. I'm just like playing with it and flipping it around certain areas just to see if I like it like that. Okay. You can go in and touch it up once you... And you want to wait for it to cool down before you start moving it around. Okay, and you want to cut out any long pieces that's in your face too much. You can also take some and like go like this, just to give an illusion of like an edges over here. So this is how it's looking so far. If you want, you can just take out some pieces in the front right there and trim that down.
Why must you make me laugh so much? It's bad enough we get along.
And I'm gonna just leave this behind my ear. So this is how it's looking. I really like how it turned out. I'm gonna go ahead and do my makeup, and then I'll come back and talk to you guys, okay? So this is the edges. I think it came out really good. The lace is very thin, so they got a 10 out of 10 for that. And the wig is laying right, so I can do this glueless. All I did was kind of like bump the ends a little bit, but I would wear the hair to the side like this or to the back. Let me turn around. Alright, you guys, so this is Celie hair. Make sure you guys visit them. My battery is about to run out. So yeah, this is Celie hair. Make sure you check them out. The last thing that I like to do before I'm done is just use the Sebastian Shaper Plus. I will have it linked down below, and I like to spray it on top of my head. And what this does is it's gonna bulletproof the hair, so it's gonna stay in place. so it's not gonna like fly up or anything like up here. And this is not a sheen, it's literally a holding spray. So this is how the hair turned out. It's very nice and flowy, and it's super thick because this is their body wave hair. This is one of my favorite companies for body wave hair, by the way, if you did not know. This is the edges. So yeah, make sure you guys visit Celie Hair. I will have the links down below, and I will definitely see you in my next one. Bye.
Mm-hmm.